Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara,
and we are so excited for today.
We're going to show you to make homemade pesto with pasta.
Combining all of these wonderful ingredients, whizzing them up in a blender makes the best sauce.
Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
And without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so the first step is to toast your pine nuts. With a saucepan, add in your pine nuts and toast them over medium-high heat. You want to be sure and toss them a bit so they don't burn because that can happen very quickly. Once they are fragrant and nutty, remove from heat and let them cool. Pine nuts add such a good flavor, but if you don't want to use pine nuts, you can use walnuts, which will work just as well. The next step is going to be grating your cheese. For this recipe, you'll want to use Parmesan cheese. And you should really grate your own cheese because it makes this sauce so good. And look how good this looks, you guys. Transfer your cheese to a measuring cup. You'll need 3/4 cups of cheese. And now we're going to be blending up our pesto sauce. In a blender or food processor, add in 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/2 cup of your toasted pine nuts, 3/4 cups of your grated Parmesan cheese, 2 large garlic cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and blend. Slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil while the food processor is going. And you guys, this smells so good right now. When you're done blending, it should be thick and smooth. Pour into a jar. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days, or you can use it right away like we're doing. Now to a boiling pot of salted water, add in 1 pound of pasta. And in case you're curious, we're using rigatoni pasta. Once your pasta is all ready, add in your pesto and stir. This looks so good, you guys. And now you're ready to serve. How easy was that? And if you want, you can top it with some Parmesan cheese. And you guys, watching this right now makes me so hungry.
That's so good.
Eating it makes me feel so happy.
And these reheat really well as leftovers.
Also, they can go on pretty much anything.
Like a sandwich spread, a meat sauce. It doesn't only need to be for pasta.
Even on your spoon it can go on.
It's actually pretty good. We've tried it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!